Amazon bestseller. The Eascookchef 2-burner propane gas cooktop. Here are my 5 main reasons why you need to get one. 1. It is mobile and ready to move when you are on the go. It comes in 2 sizes, 12 inches and 24 inches. If you live in a small apartment with limited space, then this stove will do the cooking for you without having to break the bank. The Eascookchef is also convenient for camping and RVs. 2. Although it is small, it is still well built and durable. This is due to the fact that black tempered glass is the main material which builds it. A material which is resistant to both cool and dirt. 3. This stove comes with cutting-edge technology that will prevent gas leak, which will eventually cause a fire. Its thermocouple flame-out failure system will turn off the gas automatically once there is no flame. 4. The Eascookchef 2-burner propane gas cooktop is ideal for various cooking as it comes with 2 adjustable burners. 5. Your stove will always look new. This is due to the fact that it is made of corrosion-resistant stainless steel. You need to get yours now. Click the link to learn more about this stove. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like and share the video with your friends and loved ones. Click the subscription button now.